Listen, y'all would not believe McDonald's has chicken wings in Korea, bro. Literally, chicken wings in Korea, bro. Check this out. And just to let y'all know, side note, the fries are hot. Super hot. 3 o'clock in the morning. All right, let's try it. Chicken wing from McDonald's. Never had a chicken wing from McDonald's ever. Y'all know how I like to eat my chicken wings. Gotta bust it down. Boom. Get it good like that. Take it out. Mmm. I mean, crunchy. Tastes good. Flavorful. 10 out of 10. Love it. Make sure if you're ever in South Korea, especially in Taiwan, come to this McDonald's and get you some chicken wings. Bussin'.